This is a complete postpartum recovery kit that brings all of the essentials together in one box so it's ready to go when you need it. Now, I'm personally past the early postpartum stage now, but this is exactly the kind of kit that's helpful to have prepared ahead of time for those early weeks postpartum. Everything comes packaged cleanly and individually, and it covers the core postpartum essentials without needing to buy items separately. The angled Peri bottle is designed for gentle cleaning during early recovery and for daily hygiene throughout the postpartum period. The disposable underwear is soft and flexible, designed to work comfortably with postpartum pads and provide extra protection. The soothing spray is intended to provide cooling comfort and support the body during the natural healing process, while the postpartum pads are made to handle heavier flow during that early recovery period while staying secure and comfortable. You can see here how I tested these to see how much they could handle, and they did great. The hot and cold packs can be used warm or cold to help manage tenderness and promote comfort as the body recovers. And then the wipes are designed to be gentle and refreshing, making cleanup easier during the recovery period. What I like about this kit is that it keeps everything organized and accessible, which helps recovery feel more intentional and supported. This is a great starter kit for new moms who want the essentials ready and prefer a simple, well rounded setup from the beginning. Postpartum is a powerful season of healing and adjustment, and having the right tools on hand can make that process feel smoother and more comfortable.